Welcome back to Stride Motoring. I'm John.
And I'm Skylar.
And today we're going to do some test fitting.
Of the bike carbs and possibly even some cutting of some things.
Yes, I like to cut.
Should be pretty exciting.
Cue the intro.
We had to cut the original water neck to get to a stripped Allen bolt.
You have to be faster than the bear. It's got to be faster than the other guy running from the bear. That's right. Oh, and the gasket fell. So I'm more concerned with the hood than I am with the radiator.
At this point?
Yeah.
Yep, at this point, you might not have hood clearance.
I think as of right now it would close, but
Not with the trumpets.
So we have ran into our first problem, and that's the hood does not clear the carbs. And that's mostly due to the fact of the runners on the intake manifold have an angle they're going up on the angle. I assume it's to clear the alternator and the radiator, which we are going to clear the radiator. We are touching the alternator a little bit, so we'll have to work that out some. But now we got to cut up the hood a little bit.
After the final test fit, we came to the conclusion that there was only one thing to do.
Let's put a hood scoop right there.
Open up your hood.
Dude,
Put a little scoop.
should we?
Might be kind of cool looking.
That could work. Dude, I said chop up that hood. People are gonna hate us. I might hate myself too. But a hood scoop down low might look kind of sick.
But first, there's some other things we have to cut.
In order to get clearance for the air filter on the tops of the ends of the carbs, it sticks out pretty far and bumps into the fan shroud. In the future, we'll probably relocate the radiator, get a smaller one, and put it over here, so none of this will be in the way. But for now, we're just going to cut the flan. For now, we're going to cut the fan shroud. Take this section out, and that should give us enough clearance that we can put the filter in there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Take it off, cut it. There was probably something at some point, but... Oh yeah, we're getting rid of you. No! Why?
We're going to go ahead and mount both the water neck and the intake manifold. This is also a good time to clean up the mounting surface. We also had to extract a few strip screws from the carburetors. Those little devils. everything was going well until...
Oh shit. I didn't even move it that much.
So status report on the stripped out screws, but held these pieces onto the carbs. There's 2 Phillips screws holding each one. There's 4 of them. 3 of them were stripped. 3 of the Phillips screws were stripped. And I knew this.
Tell them why they were stripped.
The screws are locked tight into the threads. I don't know why. It's a Phillips head, and clearly they're not meant to ever be taken back out. And someone attempted it. You may be asking, well, why did you attempt it? Well, one of them were loose. One of them was loose because they had gotten part of the stripped Phillip out and then stopped. And so we had to get one of them out.
And it was like that on like all of these.
Yeah. So John got 2 of them out just fine.
Using the lovely...
Using one of these extractors here. It actually did okay, the first 2. But then the third one snapped on the inside. And if those of you have ever done research or used these before, I think you're not all that surprised. It happens quite often.
Yeah, they're prone to it. And then they're made out of a material that you can't really drill into, so it was stuck.
Yeah, so it's stuck in there. So what did we do? Well, we tried drilling a small hole. Didn't really go anywhere. We tried taking a hole punch, trying to make a hole for us. And what that ended up doing, but right there, it had cracked the base that's holding the screw in. And so now there's only half the base left to hold the screw. But we're saying fuck it, and we're sending it. We are gonna fix this little chip here that happened. So in the last video I mentioned take your time on buying these. And I knew the heads were stripped on this, but I thought, you know, I can get them out. When you go to buy these, if you buy a set of Mikunis, I don't know about other carbs, they're probably built similar. Don't get any with stripped Phillip heads because they have Loctite in them. And you're gonna just wish that you just paid an extra $50 and got a nicer looking set. So again, I cannot reassure to take your time in buying these and look at the photos and thoroughly study them. But let's continue.
Oh no, but we're not done today. That damn hood's getting chopped.
You got this.
Oh, this actually makes me a little sad.
You got this.
I thought I had it, but now looking at it,
Well, let's do just a little more cutting. What have I done?
got the hood cut.
Yes, we did.
It looks
Horrible.
I was gonna say decent. For someone like me doing it, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
It's actually not that bad. It looks worse right now because we had tape and something covering it, so it didn't get water in there while we parked it. But
And we had to cut it due to, as you saw earlier, the length of the runners on the intake manifold. Everything was just too long. The length of the trumpets was too long. Everything just kind of. Now, after we got our hole cut, in the next video.
that's not gonna be the next video.
Sometime in the near future, you'll see us install this big ass Mustang head scoop on it. So we're gonna have to probably cut it and do a little bit of jigsaw work to make it look pretty.
I think we're just gonna have to shorten it. It's way too long.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take a section out and then try to put it together so it's shorter. It'll look a little bit better.
Nothing Bondo can't fix.
We should just send it like this.
Send it. Anyways, so we hope you guys like this episode. Stick around for part 3
Yes.
and possibly something with Cynthia.
Yes, that's right.
So if you guys enjoyed yourselves, like and subscribe. And if you didn't, well, sorry.
I'll dance like this some more. Done? Okay.
For one of those.